Chapter 1. Introduction to Computers. This chapter includes hardware, software, types of softwares, system software, application software. Introduction.
Computer system can be defined as an electronic machine that is used to generate information from raw data. It performs various functions such as entering data, processing and storing data, presenting output on the screen. Let us know how a computer works. A data or instruction is entered into a computer using keyboard. This data or instruction is called input. This data is converted into a meaningful information with the help of CPU, which is called processing.
After processing the data, the result is displayed on the monitor. This is called the output. A computer is divided into two parts. 1. Hardware. 2. Software. Hardware. Hardware refers to the part of the computer that you can touch or feel. For example, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, etc. Computer hardware is divided into 4 parts.
Input devices. It helps us in entering data. Keyboard and mouse are main input devices. Keyboard, mouse, processing unit. It controls the functions of a computer. CPU, motherboard are the examples of processing unit. It is also called the brain of a computer. CPU box, motherboard. Storage devices. It is used to store the data and information. Hard disk, CD/DVD, pen drive are some of the examples of storage devices. Output devices. It displays the results. Monitor and printers are main output devices.
Software. Software refers to a set of programs that perform some task in a computer. You cannot touch and feel a software. A computer needs a software to work. Some of the softwares are MS Windows, MS Office, Adobe Photoshop. Types of software. There are 2 types of softwares. 1. System software. 2. Application software. The popular softwares are MS Office, Windows, Photoshop, etc. 1. System software or operating system. System software controls and manages all the functions and activities of a computer system. It is built to make the computer run better. System software that is needed to start other softwares is called operating system. Windows is an operating system. It is a software designed to operate the computer hardware and provide a platform for running application software. 2. Application software.
Software that helps you to perform a specific task is called application software. MS Word, Photoshop, MS Paint, Windows Media Player are some of the examples of application software. MS Word, MS Paint, Windows Media Player. MS Word is used to write text only, whereas MS Paint is used to draw and color. Process of computer. Input, process, output. IPU. A computer is an electronic device that works on IPO cycle. Input, process, output. It is primarily used to input data, process, to produce the required final output. Input. Input is the collection of data or instructions entered into the computer from input devices like keyboard, mouse. Process. To process or act on the input. It is mainly done by the CPU or central processing unit. Output. Output is the result obtained from the processing activity. Output can be displayed on a screen or printed on paper. Certain output devices may function as storage devices also. For example, CD, pen drive, etc. Process, processing data and command. Output, showing result. Input, entering data and commands.
Recap. Computer can be defined as an electronic machine that is used to generate information from data. A computer is divided into two parts, hardware and software. Hardware and software must work together to get useful results in a computer. Computer hardware is divided into four parts: input device, processing unit, storage device, output device. There are two types of softwares: system software and application software. Software designed to operate the computer hardware and to provide a platform for running application software is called system software. Software that helps you to perform a specific task is called application software.